In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a Serpentine belt on a Honda CR-V with a 2.4 liter engine. It is located behind the right front wheel. After you lifted and supported your vehicle safely, you have 5 19mm lug nuts you need to remove. Take your tire off, put it off to the side. Now it's time to remove your engine splash shield. It's held on by a series of clips. Got one here, starting on the driver's side of the vehicle. Sometimes these clips come out in 2 pieces, like that. Another one beside it, like that. Back to the driver's side. Take that one out. Just remember, if you break these, you definitely have to replace them. Take that out. You need to remove these 2 clips. Just pull down, pull out, pull down, pull out, and do the same thing on the other side. Now you're in the front of the vehicle, underneath your bumper. This one's missing. This one, pull that out. To remove your washer bottle, you want to just push this tab straight out like that, lift up on the bottle, and just put it off to the side. Once you take your coolant bottle out of the way, you have your idler pulley and your tensioner pulley. That tensioner pulley bolt is a 14mm. You want to pull that towards you and slide the belt off. And you can feed the belt through, pull it out the bottom, and there's your belt. Now we're back underneath the vehicle. We're going to install our Serpentine belt, put it around the AC compressor, then around the water pump. Give you a little tech tip, you can take a pair of pliers, lightly crimp the belt to the pulley, like that, so it holds it. Same thing on the water pump. Now you can go to the top and put it around the alternator, your idler, and your tensioner pulleys. Now you can take your belt. This part here goes around the tensioner, around this idler, and then around the alternator. Now you can reinstall your coolant reservoir. Make sure it's locked into its holder. Now go and remove those 2 clamps from your belt underneath. All right, we're getting ready to install our splash shield. We're on the driver's side of the vehicle. These 2 holes, you want to tuck inside these 2 here. Take your 2 pins and push them through the hole. These grooves here go into these holes, just like that. You can install your clips now, just to give you a hand with holding it. We'll start with this one instead. Push your clip in. Same thing over here. That in, push your clip in. I'd like to move to the back of it. That way you don't have to keep holding it up. You can put one of your clips into the back here. Hold that. Then it's going to hold your shield up. Now you can go around to all your other clips and install them. Underneath, on the driver's side. Now we're on the driver's side. Tuck that up underneath this other splash shield. Put your clips back in. And do the same on the other side. Now we're on the driver's side. Last one just underneath. And there you have it. Take your tire, slide it over your lug nut studs, put your 5 lug nuts on. Snug those up. And those get tightened down to 80 foot-pounds. After you load your vehicle and your tire is on the ground, you want to torque these lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. At this point, you want to start the vehicle, run it, make sure your belt stays aligned and it's not squeaking, and you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.